And then very importantly,
How you doing?
that's one of our sponsors.
Thank you, sponsor.
So the project Mr. Lawyer, we have a whole bunch of different opportunities here. We have the sign from the Historic Preservation Fund with your name on it.
Oh, good.
So we'll get it.
Let's get a picture. Let's get a picture. Hey! There we go!
You want to see the inside? Very much.
Oh, they did that?
Yeah, back in the 1700s.
Now, is this an original beam right here, or is that a new one?
That's a new beam that had to be replaced. So it's aging well though, it's sitting in. But all these here, these are all original.
This one's half and half, right?
Yeah, so that one's restored up in Vermont.
Now, what kind of what is it? I'm happy to be here at the Roslyn Grist Mill today, where we're celebrating the next phase in this very, very important project people have worked on so hard for so many years. We brought some money in from the federal government to try and make this important part of our history continue for all time. So many people have worked together, from the Roslyn Landmark Society, from federal, state, local governments, local community members, sponsors, all working together to make sure we preserve this important part of our history. I look forward to one day to us all joining here at the historic Roslyn Grist Mill to celebrate our past and to celebrate our future together. Thanks so much, everybody.